longer you're actually doing this, meaning time-wise, like the consistency you're actually doing it, you will start getting those images a lot clearer and a lot faster. Now, if you do like, let's say, one day and then maybe the next month, it's going to be less consistent of you being able to get to that state and seeing those actual clear downloads because you're not growing the muscle. Like using our spiritual muscles, which meditation is one of our spiritual muscles, we have to treat it just the way we're treating our physical muscles. You're not going to have six-pack abs if you're not working out. You're not going to have a chiseled body if you're not working out. And also, like, you're not going to be the best at going into meditation, getting the clear downloads, getting the things out that's going to really help push you to the next level if you're not working out that muscle. And it's just a spiritual muscle. And the beautiful thing about it is you can set aside something as little as 3 minutes a day. When I first started getting into meditation, I actually started at like 30 seconds. And I would set a timer for 30 seconds. Then once I got used to just focusing on that one idea, the timer used to start taking me out of my meditation. And then I was like, man, I want more. I want more.